for the air conditioners. Here's our Ireland. That's just once. A twin speed 13. A gunman. For school. There's the train right here. Buying concept bus. Here on units. The twin XL 59. 2 weights. This is 3 weights. To move off. And something over here is super noisy. Oh, this train is running. It's a Wendy's. Not running. Oh, that one through is off. This one through is a heat pump. Yeah. There's one through right here. It has been running. It looks kind of new. There's the train just running too. That's a cool unit. Yes, I think that's a small compressor. Couple of ribbons. So it's running. Get a huge compressor in it. And another one here. Got a couple in school, I think. Good. Nah, I'm not sure if this one's one, but I'm not gonna get A on these gibbons. Here I have a shirt comfort in the weave. Yep, this is a shirt comfort. Not running. This weave was running last time, but it's off today. It's above 2 weights. Post like one on the weave. Yep, that's the weave. Yep, here I have another mid train. Yep, another weave. Another weave right here in the speed 13. Yep, it's a weave. To speed 13. This race already is very quiet.
Wait, so kind of hitting that ocean.
Oh yeah, okay, interesting. Here's this interesting looking tube with XC100. Interesting looking tube with XC100. This is a rare one. The new one is very quick later, XC100. It has been running. Intrigue motor, another XC100. It's also 2 weights. Who knew these 2 weighted XC100 even existed? Another 2 weight XC100. And yeah, these are 2 weights. Another blind quantum plus
system peel on.
Yep. Another blind quantum plus right here.
The compressor has sound like
Here I have a carrier blind. Like you see, why we placed the blind aircraft system. I have an older carrier right here, sound blanket. Yep, it's a carrier. And the blind. Like you see what? It has been running photos from motor. Choice has been sound waves.
New blind legs.
Got a small compressor.
Other blind quantum.
See this one. December 21. Yeah. And there are 2 in here. I think. Okay, well, here's the paint and bacon. I want to try to get those 2. Oh, something there's running. Hold on, wait, we get these 2. These have common school compressors to paint his own. It's our helicopter base. And this bacon right here. Oh, perfect. 10,000. If we have a white wax right here running. More white waxy wise. This 10,000 running too.
It's a 2000 sound system.
A sound system one.
This is my favorite way.
Yep. Carrier 3000 sound system. Carrier. Another carrier 3000 over here. Oh, look, this one's off. I don't think I've seen someone in before.
Carrier Tech 2000 is a sound system, high efficiency.
These are sound system 3000s.
This is sound
Sign. So we'll go on it. And a new blind looks around here replaced 21,000. Oh, it is a sticker up here.
Can you see this plastic ring that's hiding the screws on the cover?
Oh, yep. Oh no. And they missed swept off his units. Here I have another fix right here. In pain. Oh, this one's running. It's very quiet. The train is running. And the pain. It's got helicopter blades. It's been running. Has a logo there. Yeah, but the train is running. What? It has 2 compressors?
Yeah.
The train is 69 with 2 of them. Oh, it's 99. Oh yeah, 2 compressors. Who knew these? Air conditioners with 2 compressors even existed. Another train is 99. This one also has 2 compressors. And this train right here.
Look at this one.
I want to go.
Like a hack job.
Oh yeah, hack job.
Yes.
This has an extra 99. And 4. I think got 4 in here. Yep. It's Care Comfort, and a Blind Legs line, and a Meme or Rude,
Blind Legs line. Care Comfort.
and a Train XP. It's Weem. Yep. Oh, the logo is plastic on it. I think it's brand new. Train XP. It's a heat pump. I think it's an XP 13. And then a Ream in here. Yep. And then a Ream right here. This one puts in a train. And then a train right there. Try to get look at that train. There you go. There you go. Yep. Now more up here. Executive Park Terrace. Up here there are 2 buoyants, and one of them we placed here, as you can see.
Well, there are some units here that we couldn't see from the bottom.
Oh yep, the one's back there. But I don't want to see that new high over there. We placed 31,000. And this is air conditioner heaven.
Back there.
They're all like a ton of air conditioners here. Look, these are a lot of air conditioners. I do want to see that new fireworks one running. I think there's another one in here. I have 2 bars. This is a brand new one. Like, so we can see.
Oh, yes, it has fully helicopter blades.
It's not been running. It's from October 21.
Compressor.
And it went for here running. It sounds nice. Yeah. Huh? Oh, look, he's over here. And over here we have 2 blinds and 2 deacons. One of the blinds we placed there are these. Yep. It's that one right there. There used to be a Eastern compass of their blinds.
That's nice.
Yep. Gotta get in here. Here we go. This one puts dirties. Have a deacon. Oh, it's 4 blades. Yeah. Another deacon.
Also has 4 blades.
And another
That's-
blinds.
Really nice.
Not gonna get on these 4. Yeah. And over here we have a pane and a high over the high we placed 31,000. There they go. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, but that must be damn warmness. Yes, we can't see those. Oh, we can them from up there. Here's a kid, that's in the running. Kid up here, that's in the running. It has some workplace and more trades.
No top of one.
Has some older paints. We see this paint is from February 2010. This is a train. XE 1000. And 2 more there. And I'm coming, Dad. And I'm coming this way. Have a train XP right here. XP10. Yep, XP10. And a Bryant. And a given CKL series. And a new Care Comfort. And he's up here running. Has given pain. Skimmer's running. Zip. And a new plane here. And a new plane here puts down another white Quantum Plus. Have a lot more trades here. There are tons of trades here. Another Twix 800.
Oh, yes, it has 3 blades.
3 blades, not 2
High
blades.
efficiency circle board here.
And a train.
XR11.
XR11. It's tiny.
It is
3
tiny.
blades as well. Yep. And then here we have one extra Trixie with Dustin and 2 Gibbons. That Gibbons, we replaced it with a smaller Gibbon. My spirit. Train XC800. Oh, this one's 2 blades.
Oh, yes, it is 2 blades.
I fixed it here. It's an XC800.
I can see the compressor in it.
Yep, 2 blades, high efficiency. And then you have a new Gibbon here. We placed a smaller Gibbon. And then this one. And over here there was a transformers that was running last time. And I think it's off today. Yep, have more here. Have another 31,000 3 blades. Nice sweet. A couple of small compressor, another Goodman right here, and a carrier performance series. Helicopter blades in it, kind of sound like it. That performance series looks kind of new. These pushes sound like it's way up on off these. Have 2 more trains here. A train XR right here. Yep, it's a train XR.
Oh, yes. It's a
And another train 800, which is 2
I
blades.
like the shape of the blades.
Yep.
It has 2 swept twin blades.
I think it's an XR. Yep, train XR. Yep.
Train.
Okay. And now more up here. This is like a conditioner heaven. It's like a huge complex. This is like a big HVAC heaven. Yeah. This is like a huge complex. There are like a ton of air conditioners here. And some more trains over there. And we have some more units up here. Stall up here. We have some air aces in the Duquesne. The new air tap we placed different air tap.
There's not 3
Which is 3 blades, that's where.
The other one had 2 blades.
Not been running. Oh yep. Here's Duquesne. Not been running. There's our logo. Yep, Duquesne. There's an Air East. A Concept 1000. Has not been running. Focus, there you go. What a compressor that is. Another Air East. Concept 10. What?
Don't touch the names that are falling off because you're going to make them fall off.
Oh. 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 I thought you were talking to me while I was trying to look at that Air East steel compressor I had. Oh yeah, that was in the logo. Yeah. That was the Duquesne logo.
Finish your video so we can get out of here.
Yeah. Now more here. We have a care comfort, I have a new door and here replaced another Air East. Yeah.
Yes.
Have a care comfort.
Boots.
Yep. And a care performance in a bright white line. And a
What
Nordine.
is this?
It's a Nordine.
Is it Nordine?
Yep.
It does have
Oh, it's
2
a
boots.
Nortec. Yeah.
Okay.
Care comfort. Unit for Nordine.
has-
Oh, these push move when it turns on.
Okay, this unit has a little hat.
Bright white line. Oh, it's 2 blades.
Oh, looks like it used to have a better
And a
but
gear
now it
performance.
came off. Bryant Legacy one.
Yeah. That's cool units. You see what it's from. It looks
The
new.
Carrier Performance, I believe.
August 2020. Yep. That brand is from August 2020. So it's kind of new. Over here. Now I was doing the last one. We're gonna look at those 2 trains. Yep.
Okay, are you all done?
Nope. We're looking at these over here now. These 2 trains right here. Yep.
Then let's finish up.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna film it. Yep. Have another train on 11 and a train on 13.
This one has a different cover on it.
Yeah, it's like 81 degrees out here.
Still reversing now.
Yeah, this one's 2 blades. Okay, so now we're gonna look at those from up here. We're going that way now.
Go. I'm following.
Yep.
You got 2 more
Yep,
minutes.
follow
There you
me.
go.
Yep. Hey, I do love tiles. I bet there's a new tile down there.
Tell you take 2000s.
Yeah.
Yes.
There's a place over
One
there.
of them has a tropical roof on it.
It is this is a huge office complex. There are like a ton of air conditioners here. This complex is like full of these trains. Yeah. I think this is where those are. Oh yes. And I do hear something running. So why in the corner there's the paint, the brand new pile with 15,000. And there's the paint right there.
The white song, the Alice song.
Oh yeah, here
The
those.
white song.
The paint is running, the Brian's, Legacy Wine, Trade XR, and another area is just a constant with 1,000. And right over there's the paint and the Hile. Yep.
Yes.
Alright, that's it. That's it for the air conditioners. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Over and out.
Quiet.